Alright guys, figured I was talking to Andy Schwar, and we were discussing a cold start here on the old 18.6, and I figured it's been about a month since I had this thing running, so I figured I'd start by uncovering it, just so you guys know. It has been sitting here like a month, so you're gonna take my word for it. It's all full of water and junk. Alright, Andy, here we go. That's a good unknown right there. If I can get it out here, I'm killing myself. Alright guys, here it is. Whoa. As you can see, there's a huge spider web in there. A funnel right down in there. Damn things. Alright guys, there it is. 1 month cold start. What I figured it's about time to get it ready for winter, so might as well dig it out and start working on getting the tire switched around and getting the blade on it. Won't be long now. Another 6 weeks possibly. We can get snow, so. Alright guys, there's the cold start of the 18.6.